So hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and for today we'll be doing a quick haul. These are all for Niall. This Uniqlo, another one, and this one. So these are all from different brands. I bought some of these online and I bought some of these at the physical store, so like the Uniqlo, and most of these are online stores. So these are legit brands. So let's just do a one by one review on the item. So of course, first of all, I got some big sizes so that he can wear it in the long run. So I did get some one size up for him, and the first one is this Uniqlo white basic t-shirts for his school. So I got this at the physical store of Uniqlo here. So what is this? Still a receipt inside. So I got this white cotton crew neck short sleeve t-shirt for his school. So Monday to Thursday school uniform, and then Friday is what do you call that? That's why I needed some extra t-shirt for him. So this is size 130, and last time he is size 120, so I got one size up for his shirt now. Let's just open this. Okay, it's just a basic plain white t-shirt, and I just love the quality, and it's very affordable. So it's like the price is super affordable at a high quality material. So I got two of this. And the next one is this school uniform also, and I got this guitar apparel. So this is size 12. So normally he is already size 10, but I got one size larger, one size up for him, so he could wear it in the long run. The quality is so nice. Look at that. Hindi siya mahimulmul. Yeah. School uniform that he could wear from Monday to Wednesday, and it's super thick and it's very comfortable. Oh my gosh, Shein brands. I love Shein. All of my clothings are from Shein because I love the material, I love the designs, and it's very affordable, like a mall quality material. So I got him these sweatpants, so he could wear it Thursday, Friday, just comfy sweatpants. And it's a 3 pieces in one pack. Naka-ano siya, vacuum. It's so nice. Yan. Very sealed. So some of his sweatpants and pants I also bought here sa Shein because the quality is so nice. Parang quality ng mga nabibili sa mall. So wow, look at that. Look at that material. Look at that. Ang ganda. Makapal. Ayan. So nice. So this one also, I got one size larger. So usually this is size 7. This is size 7. Bakit iba-iba yung size niya? Eh, ang in-order ko is size 9. Okay, this is nice. Ito. Sakto yung size nila po. So size 9. So ang bilis ng mga damit niya na-outgrown niya yung damit niya. So also this one, this is 9 years. For 9 years. Yung isa, bakit 7? I don't know why. It's 7Y. Oh my gosh, this one. 7Y. Well, it should be 9Y because isang pack lang siya. I don't know, but it's okay. Okay naman siya. Konti lang yung difference sa length. So, these are all. Look at that. Ang ganda. Yeah, I just love the quality. And syempre, this is for pag malamig yung panahon, gano'n, it's rainy season. And the next one also, this is from Shein. So, nakita ko to, it's on sale. So, na-add to cart ko lang siya last time. And then, nakita ko, it's on sale. So, I grab it and, ayun. So, I got size also for this. 9Y. 9Y. So, ang ganda ng color niya. I love blue. And it says New York, Brooklyn. And it's hoodie. Look at that. Makapal. With, this is pair. One set. With sweatpants also. So, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. I love the color. And he'll be wearing this during rainy season or taglamig. Taglamig?
Sana all.
Pag malamig yung panahon. This one, it's the Most Gear brand. So, I got this sa physical store. Also, dito sa mall. The Most Gear. It's on sale. And alam niyo ba kung magkano yung price nito? Regular price niya. And nakuha ko lang siya for only 390 pesos. So, this is 800 plus. So, it's a good deal. And tignan niyo yung quality. Look, I love Most Gear. Since Niall is toddler, Most Gear na talaga yung pinukuha kong brand kasi maganda at high quality. So, I got two size larger. So, usually, si Niall is size 10. So, I got size 12. Pero, sumakto pa rin sa kanya yung size 12. So, next time, size 12 din yung kukunin ko. Look at that. Ang ganda. Dito sa likod. Walang pocket dito sa likod, pero dito sa harap. And it's nice that it has a parang, we call this. Pwede ko siyang ma-adjust. Na-adjust kung medyo maluwag. So, yeah. I love it. Next one is this. Oh my gosh, Gap. I got this sa website ng Gap. So, it's on sale too. So, usually, ang price nito is 1,099. So, I just got this at 680 pesos. So, it's on sale. And I got the color pinkish. Kasi, parang maganda yung pinkish kay Naya. And very formal and very so pink is just not for girls but for boys also, no? So it depends. Kids yung color. So since I tried naman kumuha ng color like this, light pink for Niall, yung Ralph Lauren na long sleeve niya, and yeah, since nakita ko to, it's so nice yun. I got this. So, this is size 130. So, it's for 8 to 9 years old. So, sakto lang sa kanya to. So, happy. I got it on sale. Yes, original po ito and legit. Another one is from Shein also. Oh my gosh, napadami ako ng order ng sweatpants. But it's okay. Magagamit rin naman yan next year or next more years. Few more years. Kasi medyo malalaki itong nakuha ko. And nag-sale kasi. So, it's just 300 plus pesos. Pero, ang normal price or yung regular price niya talaga is 700, 800 pair siya ha. Because look at the quality naman, oh. Sulit yung pera mo talaga. Ito naman is yung straight cut. Straight cut. Hindi siya yung pa-jogger. Straight cut. So, ayan. This is malaki for him. I think medyo mahaba to sa kanya. So, it's okay that I got it. Napadami yung order ko kasi magagamit niya to next year or next Kasi petit si Marian eh. And this is size, I think this is size 10. Pero mahaba siya. Iba-iba yung sizing ng Shein. And also this one, the acid gray. Ay, acid gray but light gray pala. I don't know what color is this. Basta yun. So, ito. So nice, right? Oh, mahaba siya. Parang kasya nga sa akin din. So, yan. Tapos, yun, no? And makapal. Fleece yung loob niya. Stretchy. So, yun lang, guys. So, oh my gosh. I spent a lot. Pero yung mga gamit naman niya or mga clothing niya na in good condition pa, binebenta ko yung mga yan. Kasi yung mahal-mahal ng bili mo. Tapos, wala lang pag na-outgrown na niya. So, even the shoes, kasi maalaga ako sa mga damit ng anak ko. So, binebenta ko for pre-loved, gano'n. And kinukuha naman nila. So, doon din ako kumukuha ng pinambili ko. O, diba? Be practical. Practical. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Oh my God.